Did you know that you could export your shapes from PowerPoint into Camtasia? I'll show you how in this video. Hello friend, my name is Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. Inside Camtasia, we have a few different shapes that we can use. But there may be other shapes that we can't find in Camtasia that we can find inside PowerPoint. For example, if we go over to PowerPoint and go to the Insert tab, I can click Shapes, and I see several different shapes that aren't available in Camtasia. For example, maybe I want this lightning icon. If I want to use this icon, I could shape it however I want. I can change the fill color, I can change the outline if I want, and then all I need to do to export this to Camtasia is to right-click it and go down to Save as Picture. The important thing to note here is to make sure that this Save as type says PNG. Notice that you could save it in different formats, but PNG will allow you to have an invisible background. So let's try that. I'll save this as lightning, and then I'll go over to Camtasia and I'll import that. I'll find the folder, I'll double-click the file. Now I can drag that lightning bolt into Camtasia and put it wherever I want.